Hey, Logan from Cohlab here. On Wednesday, July 29th, I recorded my very first Facebook Live using Zoom. Thank you very much. I offered to perform user design and Google Lighthouse audits on websites for anybody who commented on the live or sent us an email or a message. No one did. But I have a few up my sleeve to take a look at, and we're going to feature one here from Advantage Tax Service Plus Inc. in Monticello. Again, I'm Logan from Cohlab, and let's look at how to audit your website for technical issues, search engine optimization, and user design together. So this is Tax Service in Monticello, Advantage Tax Service Plus Inc., taxmanmn.com. So I'm not trying to pick on people here. I'm just picking websites that are in areas that we serve. So the links one was actually pretty nice looking, not bad. Advantage Tax Service Plus probably has not redone their website in a number of years, but that's okay. There's upsides and downsides to that. So we're going to take a peek. The menu is on the left-hand side, which is kind of an outdated way of doing a menu, so it won't be as intuitive for people to use probably. We've got just some old kind of grainy blue-brown images up here. They've got a site counter, so how many people visited the site, which is kind of an outdated thing to do, but it's kind of cute, I guess. Thanks for visiting our internet site as an up-to-date business. So this is kind of boilerplate language. Phone numbers there though, not clickable, so it'd be nice if that was clickable. The email is there, and it's got all their information, their address. Added a second location, there's an address. Okay, so and then it just goes through the menu. So we won't go through the whole menu here, but the colors, brown and red, do they have enough contrast? Yeah, kind of. I think it works all right. The brown on brown is pretty bad, and then when you highlight it, it goes light brown, so I don't love that. So let's take a look at built with and just see what the site is built with. So again, taxmanmn.com is what we're going to look up here. So it looks like the actual website system, the content management system, is CM4All. Not heard of that one before. I have to do some investigation as to what that is exactly. It's got some SSL, DNS, and that's about it. So very simple site, not a lot of technology on it, no video, not much on it, which will probably make the website very fast. It's not all bad things to have a simple website. Simple websites can be done very well. Let's look then at a Google Lighthouse audit of the Advantage Tax Service Plus website. And we're doing a desktop version for these Lighthouse audits. You can definitely do mobile version as well, which depending on your audience will be more appropriate. So if you're a B2B type business, more people might be looking at your website from a desktop because they're using their work computer. If you're a flower shop or a grocery store or any other, they might be better off using the mobile version of the Lighthouse to really see how people see it when they're on their phone. If you are a shop that people are looking at their phone on a lot. So performance, again, that's a lot about speed, and this site gets a 100 for it. There's not much on the site, loads wicked fast. That's good. It is serving HTTP2, or not serving HTTP2, which is from 2014, I think, when that was updated. So it's at least older than 2014, the last time this website was updated. Accessibility, not telling Google what language the website is written for. The image elements don't have any alt attributes, so that means that if you were using a screen reader and you saw that keyboard with the finger pushing on the escape button, I just described it to you with words, keyboard with finger pushing the escape button. If you're using a screen reader, you wouldn't know what that is. There'd be no text there to tell you what that image is if you were blind or hard of seeing. Links don't have a discernible name, so that's an issue too. There's no HTTPS, so there's no SSL used. Even though on the built with, I did see that there was an SSL, so maybe it's not enabled, but it should be. They're also sending out requests to HTTP sites instead of secure SSL sites. Images with incorrect aspect ratio, page lacks HTML doc type. All right, SEO does not have a viewport tag, so pretty soon here, we're going to try to see this site as like a mobile site. There might be issues with that. There's no scale set and no alt attributes for that. No HTTPS, like we said earlier, no viewport, etc. So those are all important things. So, but the page load is very fast on mobile networks. All right, so we're going to close that out. Now we're going to try to, again, make this small, kind of a mobile phone sized for the website, and you can see the text did not change at all. It's the same website, it's just smaller, so it's hard to see. So if we expand it out, we get a little more text, a little more text, a little more text. So if you're on a mobile phone, you're going to have to scroll left and right to read what's going on the site, to finish reading the phone number and other stuff. So not great. Wasn't that a great live? Thanks for watching. If you're on YouTube, check out our other Marketing Monday videos on the left. If you're watching this on Facebook or elsewhere, follow the link in the description to our YouTube channel to help you learn how to develop your website and handle digital marketing for your company.